What's up, wake up, wealth up, everyone. It is Melanie Williams, your mompreneur and deal diva of the 21st century, coming to you again from Booteek House Enterprises with just a little bit of inspiration. On this past Saturday, I held a strategy session, a financial strategy session at our home-based business office here for Booteek House Enterprises, and we invited quite a few people out. We had a small turnout, but it was a turnout nonetheless. We went forward with what we were supposed to do. We gave everybody the information that we said that we were going to give out, and it turned out to be wonderful. From that event, we have scheduled other events for the future. So all in all, it was well worth what effort we put in to get it organized, and we appreciate those people that came out. I hope that somebody else watching this is inspired just to know that sometimes you plan events, you want them to be big, you want them to be great, and a few people are going to trickle in. Sometimes people get discouraged by that, and the information, the energy, and everything that they have when they're presenting whatever it is, it dies down, and your crowd, however big or small that is, feels that. So I just hope that if you're out there and that something like that has happened to you, you have to remember to just, keep your energy up. Give the people what it is that you say that you're going to give them, even if that people is one person, because you never know what that one person, has for you, or what it is that you're giving to that one person that showed up. They still want your full attention. They still want your full energy. They still want you to be 1,000%, the same way you would be for 55 people. Those 5 people that do show up, even though you invited 55, still want to have that same energy. So I was glad that I know I've done this many times. I know that even if you invite 1 million and 100 show up, you still need to have that same energy, because great things happen still in small groups, as we found out when we did our strategy session. We got some things planned for the future. There was a bunch of ideas that were passed along, between the few of us that were there. And in the future, we plan to do more strategy sessions, have more people come out, and even if we invite that 1 million and only 100 show, we still gonna have that same energy. So I hope I gave you what's up so you can wake up and get your wealth up. Until next time.